Hey everyone, Dee here from Team GrunTea again. So today we're going to brew a 5-cup pot of turmeric chai latte. So first of all, we're going to add the loose leaf tea into the pot. Second of all, we're going to add the freshly grated ginger into the pot. Next, 1 cup of pre-boiled water into the pot. And then we're going to bring that to boil for 2 minutes. Okay, so that's been 2 minutes. It's looking and smelling great. So what I'm going to do now is add the milk. And then bring it up to heat, roughly 65 degrees again. Okay, so I've just readjusted the thermometer so you can see it properly, and it's hitting about 65 right there. So what I'm going to do is take that out, turn the heat off. It smells and looks delicious yet again. 1 cup of turmeric chai latte coming right up. That really is so delicious. Hey team, I just wanted to let you know that while our turmeric chais are completely sugar-free, did you notice that we didn't add any sweetener? That's because Cocoa Quench is naturally sweet. Please add sweetener to your taste. So enjoy your creamy turmeric chai latte.